Welcome to Indian Market in Minutes from Motilal Oswal Research Desk. We will be covering technical and derivatives SII's activity, index, actionable sectors and stocks to watch out. So stay tuned till the end.
Hey, this is your host Shivangi Sarda, and to start with our first segment for Monday, 25th August 2025, Nifty index opened negative and nosedived right through the first half of the session and slipped below 24,900. It faced some choppy swings in the second half and closed near its lower band with losses of around 220 points. It delivered a distinctively corrective move after the rally of the last 8 sessions. It formed a bearish candle with long upper shadow on the weekly frame but negated the lower highs of the last 6 weeks. India VIX was up by around 2.9% to 11.7 levels. Nifty put-call ratio decreased significantly to 0.73. Option data suggests a broader trading range in between 24,400 to 25,500, while the immediate range is in between 24,600 to 25,100. Moving on to the second segment in the equity cash market, FIIs were net sellers to the tune of 1,652 crores, while DIIs were sellers worth 269 crores. FIIs index long-short ratio slightly increased to 10.7%. Going ahead with the index actionable, derivatives data and price setup suggest Nifty has to cross and hold above 25,000 for an up move towards 25,250. While supports have shifted lower to 24,700 levels. Till the time Bank Nifty holds below 55,555, some weakness could be seen towards 55,000, while on the upside, hurdle can be seen at 55,750. And finally, talking about the sectors and stocks to watch out, positive setup can be seen in Poonawalla Fincorp, Uno Minda, SGVN, Cipla, Paytm, TVS Motor, Coforge and Dixon Tech. While some weakness could be seen in Bharat Forge, Kolpal, Adani Enterprise, Ambuja Cement, HCL Tech, Lodha and IndusInd Bank. Wish you a super day and a lovely week ahead. Shivangi Sarda signing off. Follow this podcast for solid advice.
Investment and securities market are subject to market risk. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.